In this guide, I'll show you how to find saved video clips and screenshots on PS5. So if you've just taken a screenshot or you've had a new recording, what you want to do is head to the home menu. Then what you want to do is scroll on over and select Game Library. And from here, you want to scroll over and go to Media Gallery. Now, if you open this up, this is where you're going to find all of your video clips and screenshots from your game. And if you have a look at the top, you'll also see favorites, trophies from specific games, and you have albums for all of your specific games where you can have a look at it. Now, if we go back to all in the media gallery and you highlight the picture or video clip and you press the options or start button on your controller, here's where you'll find the option to share it. You can edit it, delete it, add it to your favorites. You can upload to the PlayStation app if you've connected your account and console to it, as well as edit and share Studio Factory and more. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.